Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log out of Archero 2. Logging out of Archero 2 might seem tricky since the option isn't directly in the game settings, but it's quite simple once you know where to look. First, download the Google Play Games app, or on iOS, use the equivalent Apple account settings. Open the app and go to your profile. Tap the triple dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll down to your data section and find the Change Account for Games option. Tap it, locate Archero 2, and press the Change button next to it. You will now see the option to sign out. Select it, and the game will be logged out from your current account. Next, close the game completely and clear it from your recent apps to reset it. When you reopen Archero 2, the previous account will no longer be signed in, giving you a fresh start or allowing you to log in with a new account. This method ensures a proper logout without losing any saved progress linked to your original account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.